Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Gusto for payroll and founder expense planning easy tutorial. To activate Gusto for payroll and founder expense planning, begin by visiting the Gusto website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After that, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Gusto. Click on the verification link in your email to activate your account. Once you are redirected back to Gusto, log in with your email and password. Once logged in, select Get Started for Payroll Setup. Enter your business name and contact information when prompted. Next, input your business address, as this will be used for payroll tax purposes. Choose your payroll frequency, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You will then need to enter information about your employees, including their names and social security numbers. Add details about each employee, including their salary, hours worked, and any deductions. After entering employee details, provide your bank account information for payroll deposits. Follow the prompts to input your Federal Employer Identification Number, or EIN, if you have one. If you don't have an EIN, Gusto will guide you through the application process. Once all information is entered, review and confirm the details you provided. After confirming the information, you will be taken to the dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Founder Expenses section. Here, you can categorize and track your business expenses. Select the options that best fit your business needs. You can input your expenses manually or connect your bank accounts for seamless tracking. Utilize the reporting features to keep tabs on your spending and budgeting. Finally, ensure that you regularly review your payroll and expenses to maintain accurate financial records. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Gusto for payroll and founder expense planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.